Welcome to Ain't Official, where we make your tech journey smoother. If you're new to coding and feeling overwhelmed by all the different programming languages out there, I totally get it. It's easy to get stuck jumping from one language to another, feeling like you're getting nowhere. In today's video, I'm going to give you a roadmap to help you decide which programming languages are the best fit for your dream tech job and how to get there faster. We'll explore different career paths and the languages that power them. But before we dive in, let's address something important. Is AI replacing coders? Some of you might be wondering if AI is taking over software development jobs. That's a valid concern, but let me reassure you. AI is a tool for developers, not a replacement. I've covered this topic in detail into other videos, and the links are down below if you're curious. Now, here's the hard truth about coding. Learning a programming language alone isn't a golden ticket to landing a tech job. It's just the first step. So let's focus on choosing the right language for the career you're excited about. Choosing your path. To decide what language to learn first, you need to figure out what kind of tech career excites you the most. Do you want to build beautiful websites, mobile apps, games, or software that controls real-world devices? Let's break down the different paths and the programming languages you'll need for each. 1. Web development. If you dream of building websites or even online games, web development is the path for you. Web development has two main sides, front-end and back-end. Front-end development is all about what the user sees and interacts with. You'll need to master HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML structures your web pages. CSS makes them visually appealing. JavaScript adds functionality, making your site dynamic and interactive. Back-end development is the behind-the-scenes magic databases, servers, and logic. Popular back-end languages include JavaScript, Python, Java, PHP, and C. Here's the great news. If you learn JavaScript, you can use it for both front-end and back-end development, making you a full-stack developer, and that often means a higher salary. 2. Mobile development. Now, let's talk about mobile development. You've got two main paths here, native and cross-platform development. Native development means building apps specifically for either Android or iOS. For Android, you'll want to learn Java or Kotlin. For iOS, you'll need Swift or the older Objective-C. Cross-platform development allows you to build apps for both Android and iOS with a single code base. The popular tools are React Native and Flutter. For React Native, you'll use JavaScript. For Flutter, you'll need to learn Dart. So again, if you've already learned JavaScript, you're in luck. You can use it for both web and mobile development. 3. Game development. If game development is your passion, you'll need to work with game engines like Unity or Unreal Engine. Unity is more beginner-friendly and used by small to medium-sized studios. You'll need to learn C# for Unity. Unreal Engine is used for larger, more visually stunning games, and it requires C++. These languages will let you bring your game ideas to life. 4. Embedded systems. Now, if you're interested in building software that controls real-world devices like smartwatches, self-driving cars, or medical robots, you're looking at embedded systems. Here, the go-to languages are C and C++ because they give you maximum control over hardware. Rust is also a newer option that focuses on speed and safety, making it perfect for smart devices where reliability is key. Do some research on job opportunities in your area to figure out which language is in higher demand for embedded systems. 5. AI and machine learning. Finally, let's talk about AI and machine learning, one of the fastest growing fields in tech. If you want to build AI models or dive into data science, the top language to learn is Python. Python is the industry standard for AI and machine learning. It's powerful and has a ton of libraries that make it easy to work with large datasets and build machine learning models. R is another language popular for statistical computing and creating data visualizations. If this field excites you, start with Python to get a solid foundation. Conclusion: so, which programming language do you want to learn after watching this video? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, learning a language is just the first step. There's a lot more to landing a tech job, but mastering the right language for your chosen career will get you started on the right path. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Ain Official for more coding tips and career advice. I'm here to help, so if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.